In this video, we'll deploy Devtron on Cuemby Cloud quickly and easily. Devtron is a Kubernetes platform that centralizes application management, infrastructure deployments, and operations into a single interface, helping to simplify processes that typically require multiple tools. From Cuemby Cloud, we begin by configuring a password required for the service to run correctly. Then, we select the instance resources and launch the deployment from the platform within Cuemby Cloud. It's also important to understand the networking aspect. The service can handle internal connectivity between resources and external access. Depending on the client's configuration, for example, it can use a public IP address when needed to expose the platform in a controlled and secure manner. Another key point is backups, as they contribute to more reliable operations, helping to protect information and facilitate environment recovery when necessary. We then click Review and Deploy. Once the instance is deployed, we access it via the console, and from there, we can validate the Devtron service provisioning status. Finally, we validated that Devtron is operational and available, ready to start managing applications and Kubernetes environments from a single platform. Devtron also stands out for integrating application management capabilities, infrastructure, and backup within its own unified operating system. To discover the default Devtron password, we must log in via SSH, the easiest way to the server using Kubernetes commands found in the official Devtron documentation. We can discover the randomly generated password to access and manage the service. And just like that with Cuemby Cloud, we can deploy Devtron with a clear infrastructure foundation, network, and backup, ready to work more efficiently and quickly.